In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and send triggered emails from your website. If you want to keep your audience engaged and automate your communication effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the triggered email section. To do this, start on your site's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the developer tools. It's usually in the main menu or under a settings section, depending on how your dashboard is arranged. Once you locate developer tools, click on it and then select triggered emails from the options provided. This is where you'll be managing all of your automated emails. With the triggered email section in front of you, your next step is to create a new email. To do this, simply click on the button labeled plus new campaign. This action will let you begin the process of generating a fresh email template that you can customize to fit your needs. Next up is the fun part, designing the email template. You'll find an editor that allows for both creativity and personalization. Here, you can use various tools provided to design your email just the way you want it. Personalization is key to making emails more relevant to your recipients, so take advantage of the editor's capabilities to add variables. These variables will automatically fill in details like names or purchase history for each recipient, ensuring your emails make a personal connection. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your email, go ahead and save the template. At this stage, you'll be provided with a code snippet. This piece of code is integral to your site as it links your newly created email template to specific triggers on your website. Now let's move on to the implementation phase. You'll need to add this generated snippet to your site's backend code. It's this step where the magic happens, where the email template gets connected to a particular action on your site, which will trigger the email. This could be actions like a purchase, a sign up, or any other defined user interaction that you want to follow up with an automated email. Finally, it's essential to publish and then test your setup. Publish the changes on your site, ensuring all the new code and templates are live. Once your site is updated, simulate the trigger action to test whether the email sends correctly. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to verify that the integration is successful and working as intended. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you now know how to set up triggered emails on your website, helping you automate engagement and communication effectively. Thanks for joining me, and happy emailing!